Test. Okay. Hello. Fucking plane or something hit the World Trade Center. Something happened at the World Trade Center. It's not good. Mike and I are here. Yeah, we're both standing here. We're looking right at it. It's unfucking believable. So, trying to go off. Mike, there's a tree falling down from the thing. See it? See it falling? All right, I love you. Bye. I will. We are. I got somebody with me. We're fine. All right, bye. Mike, let's go check it out. Come on. Mike, put your mic on. Mike, put your mic on. What? Put your mic on. 54545. Mike, we're getting them stuff that's still falling. Let's get out of here. Mike, we're gonna get killed. Mike, we're gonna get killed. Mike, stay out of the path!
Oh shit!
What is it, Mike?
That's somebody falling!
What?
Oh my god, somebody just fell.
The lion.
Somebody just fell, dude.
Mike, you have to stay away from the towers. You're gonna get killed. See the pieces falling, Mike? Mike, get away from the towers. Mike! Mike! Okay, just keep going, all right? Keep going. Keep going, go.
Second one going off. Coming out of the subway.
Understand?
Stay under the old pit, you'll be hitting the debris. Yeah, please.
And red there. One hit per we don't know where there's propane tanks around the corner. They're all over the place.
That's 30 some odd floors. Wow.
I'm gonna cry.
There's two planes. First one hit at 5 and 9, the second one hit 7 and 6. I was outside. One plane up. And after the second explosion, looked like a ticker tape parade with all of the.
You saw the plane when it hit?
I didn't see the plane.
So you only heard the explosion?
I heard the explosion. I was in an elevator. I was very, panicked.
Thanks.
second, and I'm late by 30 minutes to work. Everybody died.
Okay.
Everyone died in all those floors. Nice and hard.
Okay, what happened here? I'm working the top of 11 Hanover here, and as we on the scaffolds up here, we start our day. The first aircraft, it appeared to be an accident to me. The first explosion, and then everything erupted. The building went in flames on the left-hand side from where I was standing. Okay, the second plane approached the building after I came in and let you guys know. The second plane, I went back upstairs, and the second plane flew directly into the right side of the building, hit head-on shot right into the side of the building. I mean, we have a huge hole. We have a lot of dead American people up here, and we need answers. We need answers now. We need answers from the president. We need answers from our government. We need to get to the bottom of this. We need to stop it right now. We have a lot of dead Americans up there. Okay, this is a tragedy.
Can't believe it, man.
Your name?
My name?
Yeah.
My name is Dwight.
Dwight? Okay, Dwight.
Chef.
Chef?
Yes.
Dwight. Yeah, did you see it?
Did I see it? No, I was supposed to be on the 82nd floor for 9 o'clock meeting, and I was about 10 minutes late to get there. And they're telling me now that planes were going through the 82nd floor area. So I guess I was kind of covered by somebody up above. There's no way. I mean, I'm late for the meeting. Somebody told me to be that way.
There's no meeting.
There's no meeting.
This guy's got something to say.
And your name, sir?
Steve
what?
Hausch.
Hausch?
Yeah, Steve Hausch.
Spelling? Hausch?
H-A-U-S-C-H. I just, oh man.
What did you see, sir?
How are you?
Just look at my eyes.
We were on the 34th floor of this building right here, 48 Wall Street, and we heard an explosion. We went up to the roof and we seen one of the towers on fire. So we're up there actually watching the tower on fire, and another plane comes in and hits the other tower, and there was like a ball of flame so big I couldn't believe it. It actually, you felt it in your face. And then it was just like both towers are on fire. Bad fire right now. There had to be a lot of injury in that building. Michael, I'm going to Otis Elevator. Morigi.
How do you spell that?
M-O-R-I-G-I.